out on a local lake with my emo teenager because I forced him to go fishing. Our goal is, I don't know, 5 fish. It's been super duper cold out, so I'm not sure if we're going to catch anything. Don't get skunked, alright?
I'm gonna get skunked again.
You're not going to get skunked. Oh, you got one.
Not
Not skunked. Let's see it. You got a 6-inch bluegill. I see your 6-inch bluegill. Good job. Trying to stop us because we're going past all the fish. I have a 7.5-inch bluegill. Number 2. Oh, Colin, your split shot slid way down. Look at that. You know what I mean? You know what I'm talking about, right? Yeah, that's no good. You don't want that. That's why you weren't getting bites. Well, you're lucky we're not keeping fish, or I'd eat you. You'd be lunch. A couple inches deeper than you, but not much. Oh, there you get a bite. You got him. The fighter. Oh, it's a big old sunfish. Very good. Good job. Look, Colin, you're catching fish. It's amazing. Your split shots are still too far down. Oh, sunfish. And you probably need a worm. Do you want me to squeeze your split shots on better? I could. Didn't want it. Oh, that's a nice one. Another sunfish. It's fighting like it. Yep. Well, it seems to be what you always go see. What I mean? Well, as opposed to like Endgame. Oh, so. So that was not what you were gonna go see. and put a worm on. Oh, noisy. In front on the left, you just a little ways. Okay, throw over where I threw, I guess. Nice one. Straighten you out in a second. Got a bite? What's that? I'm straightening this out. Throw right in front of you. See that opening right in front of you? Going towards the middle of the lake? Yeah, throw right there. It's fine. Oh, you had one. No, you're okay. Nice one. Good job, Colin. Get it off. It's a fighter. Woo. 8-incher. What'd you do? What? Give me a second. I'll get you where you gotta be. The warmest water is always downwind. You know, the water's warm on top, and then the wind pushes it all to one side of the lake. So always the downwind side of the windy side of the lake is always where the warm water is. Fish to your right, Colin. Ooh, big one. Mine was bigger. I'm not bragging mine was bigger, but mine was way bigger. Like you care. Good job. Oh, mine's a baby. I guess throw out and left a little bit more. I said a little shallower too. Have one bite? I'm shallower than you. And your split shot are too far down again. And you probably need a worm. Because I know how you are. Oh, I had a fish on. Fish to the left, Colin. And there's fish right where you are, apparently. I missed mine. It's a big one, huh? That inhaled your bait. Because you're set too deep, and I keep telling you you're too deep. Can you get it? Otherwise, bring it here. Give it here. All right. Take my rod. All things being equal, I'm doing better than you. You'll need a worm. I think I'm gonna change your bait, or I'm gonna fish with it for a little while, and I'm gonna change your bait. All right. Because you're not getting as many bites as me. Have a bite? What? You did. Nice one, huh? You got a bass. Oh, I set the drag good for you, so you should be okay.
I still got a bass.
Oh, you don't have a bass. Look how crooked the poor thing is. It's upside down and sideways, wrapped around. More bites now, yes? Seems that way anyways, doesn't it? But you know, a brighter color. I'm gonna try an orange and white one. Is that a beaver? Or a muskrat? It's cruising. Oh, he's coming over. Oh, there's two of them. Oh, I want to see him. He's in here trying to move. Oh, it's a muskrat. Big muskrat. Nice bluegill. Checking you out. Oh, he's going back. I'm waiting for your outro.
We caught fish. The ending sucked. The beginning was good.
How many fish did you catch?
I don't know. 15.
How many?
15, maybe.
What kind of fish did you catch?
Bluegills. Yeah, that was it. That's all I got.
That's all you caught. Bluegill, sunfish, one
That's all I
crappie,
caught.
one shiner, no bass. We were trying, so. Drone time.
Thought about this too much. What's there left to say? Throw your stones the river. Like me, it drifts away. I would watch you stare. I would watch you stare. Oh, but there's no one there. We can figure this out. Put your feet down. never let go, never let go. Ooh, we never let go. We can figure this out. Put your feet down. We are lucky ones. Swallow your choice instead. Terrified of what's left remains unsaid until you break my mind. Until you break my thought. Until you break my thought. These sticks and stones will break. They will break, they will break, they will break. Oh, 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 yeah, yeah. No, no. I thought we had it all. This is our story. It's written on the wall of what you did, what I did, meant more than a letter to each other. Gonna wipe out what's on my mind. It's been a while since I could hold my head up high. Now I know I can't take it anymore. 'Cause I'm feeling that I'm lost inside, trying to get over hold my head up high.